guys, welcome back to my channel. I thought today I would actually bring you guys a quick video on what's in my work bag. So basically this is a Louis Vuitton Graceful PM. I got this about 2 years ago. It was actually a gift and this is my go-to bag for work. A little different than the Neverfull, but I still love the bag itself. It's very hobo-ish. It fits a lot, and stay tuned to see what else is inside. So basically the first thing that I have in my bag is a notebook. I basically write down a lot of notes for work, whether it's content for different programs that I'm doing, different notes for my things to do for the day, and I definitely can't live without my notebook. My wallet. This is a pretty, where's this from? This is a Burberry wallet. I've had this for actually a couple months now. Just holds all my basic cards, just a credit card, ID card, work ID card, and some cash. What else do I have in here? A pair of sunglasses. These are a pair of Ray-Bans. I've had these for so many years, you just can't go wrong with a classic like this. Lip balm. Here in the Northeast, it gets so cold in the winter, you need some sort of lip balm. If not, your lips will fall off of your mouth. So, actually now I should actually put some on. Strawberry. Let's see, this is something random. So I basically bring my lunch to work every single day, and a lot of my lunches consist of avocado toast. So this, everything but the bagel sesame topping is so good on avocado. I highly recommend you guys using this. Let's see what else we have in here. We have a mirror. Definitely need it. You know, you see people all day long, you need to check up on your makeup. Essential in your pocket. Earpods. I love these. These are great. Actually, I totally regret not buying these sooner because they are really discreet and you can actually wear them at work. I definitely love to carry this and definitely remember to charge them at all times. A Metro card. I go into the city maybe like once or twice a week. It's nothing crazy. I always load it up with $15, $20. My car keys, essential. Let's see. No idea what this is. No idea. Just a little Kate Spade bag or pouch. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 lipsticks. I don't even know like why I have so many, but I feel like every single girl has so many lipsticks in her bag that it's pretty much useless to never try to not have any. Put those here. I have 2 pens, a pencil, a red pen. Ooh, yes. This I definitely recommend you guys have. You guys always need a ponytail. Always, always, always. So that there. Oh, never mind. I have so many other pens. I have pens, markers. I don't even know why, but I just have them. And what are these? These are just all... Honestly, it's just all trash. Just trash. Receipts, DSW, coupon, movie theater tickets, Aldo coupon from the store, just a bunch of garbage to be honest. What else is in here? Oh, cool story about this. So my birthday's actually on Christmas, so for Christmas we went over to the city to go ice skating at the Rockefeller Center, and this small little Tibetan guy came up to us and he gave us this little bracelet for free, and he said it would bring us love and good luck. So me and my boyfriend both got one, so I don't know, cool little thing to have in your bag for good luck. empty Altoids can. I don't even know why I have. Oh yes, I know why I have this. Cool trick for you guys. If you guys have bobby pins, you can actually put bobby pins in here and they can last you like, I don't know, as long as you don't lose them. And whenever you need one, just pop one up and put it in here and then you're all set. What do we have? Empty container of gum. Pointless. Trash. Oh, what's this? A prescription for my glasses. I have horrible eyesight, so I always have my prescription numbers in hand just in case I need new contacts, or if I lose a pair of glasses, I always have the number that I am. So that's great. More receipts, more trash, candy wrapper, lanyard for an ID. I don't know, typical work stuff. Some jewelry. I have this crinkled up necklace. I don't even know why I still have this. There's no way I'm ever gonna untangle this, so I don't know. This might go in the trash. What do I have? Oh yes. So whenever my AirPods, you know, run out of charge, because you do have to charge them like once a week, I do have a spare extension for regular earbuds. So this is always important to have just in case you run out of juice in your AirPods. Another bracelet. I think this is my boyfriend's actually. More pens, more trash. Pair of earrings. Gold coin. So basically around here there's a bar called, I forget what the name is. Well, it's basically just a bar with a bunch of Nintendo games where you can go and put in a token and you can play. So I have one spare coin, I guess, that we left. What else do we have in here? I think that's pretty much it. Oh, here we go. 3 more bobby pins. You see what I mean? This is a really handy way of keeping your bobby pins in here. Just gonna drop those in here and put them away. And that's it. And I think that's pretty much it what's in my bag. So pretty much this is an empty bag. The size is pretty good. I would totally recommend this bag. It's something different than the Neverfull. I feel like at work at least, a lot of the girls that I work with carry the same bag, and I think this is something different. I don't think it's that expensive either. I think it's moderately priced for the size that you get. It comes with the luggage tag, so you can also monogram it. So mine's monogrammed here, you can see, and I absolutely love this bag. It definitely fits the necessities, the essentials for work. I guess this would be such a great investment for you guys if you're looking for a new bag or your first ever, you know, Louis Vuitton bag. This would be a great thing to invest in, and I highly recommend it. So, I don't know. I guess I'll catch you guys in my next video, and I'll see you later. Bye.